Good morning. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing well. My name is Victor Quager, your business success coach and consultant. Once again, I come here with business building blocks, episode 33 for 2023. Now, you cannot wait for success to come to you. You have to go get it. This is by Danny Johnson. Now, what do you mean by this? Now, one thing that distinguishes successful people from the pack is that successful people are successful because they form the habit of doing those things that failures don't like to do. This is by Albert Gray. And the question is, are you doing all you are supposed to do, including the ones no one wants to do, even if it is the right thing to do? Think about that. Now, until you are ready to step out of the box and your comfort zone, your quest to become successful may remain a mirage instead of manifesting. And that is not what you want to be. Your desire to be successful should drive you to do things even when it is not comfortable. That is how successful people make things happen. I hope this sets you thinking. Do not hesitate to add your comments in the comment section and like and share. And I hope this inspired you. And just before you go, as a business coach and consultant, I'm always excited and ever ready to help you, to work with you, to help you to start your business or grow your existing business and expand. And also, get ready for the podcast, which is going to be very insightful, informative, and very educational. And it's going to help you in your entrepreneurial journey and other aspects of life as well. And finally, for our book writing workshop, it's the second time running. We're excited this year to come your way once again, the book writing workshop, which by popular demand, we are having to repeat it on the 18th of March, 2023 at 8 p.m. GMT. It's an online event, so you can sign up. Just check the description section of this video and find a link, register, and make sure you complete the process so that you can be part of the book writing workshop, where I share with you the 10 steps, 10 strategies, 10 tips I've developed for writing your book in 10 days. This is something I've developed over the years after writing 13 books, publishing 8 to date, and helping so many other authors do likewise. So I hope you take advantage of this. Do not let your authorship dream in 2023 pass you by. And if you like to publish your book, don't hesitate to reach out. We are more than glad to help you. The expert team with over 100 years of experience in editing, proofreading, design, formatting, distributing, publishing, printing, and all. I look forward to coming your way again soon, and I hope this inspired you. Thank you once again. God richly bless you.